Welcome back, and you're watching Claptrap. We are back again. This is Happy Sunday, so going to take you up to a beautiful place. Welcome to Woods Decor, where timeless French elegance meets bespoke craftsmanship. You will notice that each and every single piece here is meticulously handcrafted using the premium teak wood and finished with elegant walnut polish. From sofas and beds to cabinets to tables, each and every item is tailor made to your lifestyle, your space, and your story. And of course, it is reflecting a strong French culture in every single unit. I'm going to show you 5 units in this, starting with this one presenting the Versailles Opus. Is the name of a monument in France, and inspired by that, it's called Versailles, a grand Victorian sofa, hand carved in teak wood and finished with rich walnut polish. Of course, it has got a little bit of gold accent on this, so it becomes all the more royal. Upholstered in dual jacquard fabric, it includes two three-seater sofas, two carved chairs, and a center table with an onyx tabletop. Of course, onyx can be replaced with the transparent, high top-notch quality or high-grade glass as well. This set has got two matching tables with the center table. Every detail is fully customizable. This particular piece, Versailles Opus, is to bring timeless French luxury to your house, one of the top sellers of the store. Moving on to more detail to this, as we said, if you're placing a carpet below the center table or beneath the center table, you can always use a very nice top-notch glass so your carpet is visible. Moving on to the next one now, this is called as Beaver, spelled as Belvoir, again a French neoclassical masterpieces where classic meets the timeless elegance. Crafted with solid teak wood and finished in rich walnut polish, this bespoke set features a beautiful detail, a blend of suede and jacquard fabric that brings depth and softness to every seat. This entire set includes two different seats, like 2.5-seater sofas, each style with unique fabric pairing, and two graceful chairs with the curved cane back and American style legs. These legs are different from the French legs, because French legs are a little obelisk, lean and slim, but American legs are a little rounded and beefy, adding both character and comfort to your house. At the center table or at the center, a glass tabletop looks amazingly stunning because there's a beautiful cane work is done at the center of this. Perfectly matched with the side tables, sharing the same elegance and detail. Moving on to the next one now, this is called the Wexford Poster Bed, a masterpiece that brings a heritage touch to your bedroom. Crafted from finest teak wood, this bed includes timeless elegance and luxury. The rich, warm tones of teak highlights its natural grains. It's very important when you're buying furniture units. Your wood should actually reflect the natural grains. That's the beauty of a good wood. Otherwise, anybody can go for any wood. Why to spend on such an expensive, high-grade teak wood imported from Brazilian nations? Well, talking about this one, it's a striking poster board. Solid teak wood headboard is amazing. The Wexford poster bed offers a refined sophistication designs free from the traditional and box check patterns. This is a the simplicity of this bed is the classical appealing, allowing the beauty and the wood to take the center stage. Ideal for both traditional and modern interiors as well. Moving on to the next one now, this is called the Windsor Crest Collection, where royal craftsmanship meets timeless elegance. This particular set features a luxurious 2.5-seater sofa designed with intricate detailing and softness, inviting an upholstery that includes sophistication and classiness. Paired with two matching chairs, each crafted to offer exceptionally different comfort, and of course this is very stylish as well. The Windsor Crest collection is perfectly for any to upscale your space. In case you have a dead corner or a dead space, you can use this entire set. It will actually enhance the beauty. Moving on to the next one now, this is called the Imperial Crest handcrafted sophisticated bed. This is a simple example of timeless beauty, luxury, and masterful craftsmanship. Crafted from finest teak wood, once again, Finished with rich walnut polish, this bed is also radiates a lot of warmth, a lot of romanticism, and of course, this creates elegance as well. This is one of the best-seller designs, not only at the store but in the in the original French units as well. Talking about the hand-carved upholstered bed, every curve and carving has been meticulously crafted, offering a regal touch that enhances any bedroom. This particular bed is upholstered in rich velvet fabric, known for its luxurious texture and elegance. Royal Rose is another example. This particular piece is also meets the exquisite handcraft artistry. This luxurious three-seater sofa set comes with two elegant styles, each featuring signature Chesterfield tufting and beautiful hand-carved arms that adds a royal touch. Upholstered in a rich combination of suede and jacquard, and set blends texture and sophistication. For a truly refined look and feel, this is a perfectly suitable piece because this has a bit of neoclassical touch to it, and then you have these oriental legs reflecting art and culture and the heritage. At the center table, you can see a top-notch quality onyx matching with the side tables and end tables as well. And of course, as we said previously, this can be matched with this can be actually made in combination with the glass as well. Alright, so this is all for today, and it was a quick tour. I hope you enjoyed it. In case you want to know more about it, you can always call on the number given on the screen. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the timeless elegance and handcrafted luxury. We'll be back again with more videos. To know more about us, please subscribe to the channel and also press the like button. Thank you very much. We'll be back again with another video. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay good. Bye bye.